Hello, dear students. Welcome to another class of math. Today we are going to a new lesson 10 metric measures, and we are discussing four important topics today, which are identify kilometer as a unit to measure long distances, identify the relation between kilometer and meter, convert meters into centimeters and centimeters into meters. Use a standard ruler to measure length in centimeters and millimeters. Let's move to the topics. The first one, as you know, there are four basic units to measure the length, which are millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, and these all units are arranged in ascending order. So we can say that millimeter is the smallest unit to measure length. Millimeter is the smallest unit to measure the length, then centimeter, then meter, then kilometer, and so on. Then how much length is a millimeter? Let's see. Here are some objects given as examples which is measured in millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. And we learned that millimeter is the smallest unit to measure the length. And millimeter means how much length. You have the doubt. If we explain through an example, we can say nail of your finger is measured in millimeter. Nail of your finger is measured in millimeter. And we can say the length of an ant is measured in millimeter and so on. And in the case of centimeter, we can say pencil is a best example, which is the object which is measured in centimeter. And here we can say road is measured in meter. And if we say length of sari is measured in meter, height of the door is measured in meter, and length of the dining table is measured in meter, and so on. And in the case of centimeter, we can say eraser is measured in centimeter, pen is measured in centimeter, and your pencil box is measured in centimeter. Okay. And in the case of kilometers we measure distance we measure in kilometer. For example, the distance from your home to school. We can't measure the distance using millimeter, centimeter or meter. It should be measured in kilometer. Length from your home to school, length from Paringadi to Kannur and so on. The distance we measured in kilometer. Okay, children? And we all know this tool. It's ruler or scale. We casually saying it's scale. And here it is marked as 0, 1, 2 and so on. Okay. In between 0 and 1 we can say there are 10 small lines. The same way in between 1 and 2 also we can say 10 lines. Okay, then each line shows 1 millimeter. Each line shows 1 millimeter, and this 0, 1, 2 shows centimeter, and in between the lines in each centimeter shows millimeter. So we can say there are 10 lines in between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So we can say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Let's write here. There are there are 10 lines in between each centimeter. So we can say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. And in the case of next scale, we can say there are 100 centimeter in 0 and 1, and this 0, 1, 2 shows meter, and there are 100 centimeter in between 0 and 1. So we can say 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We can say 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And in the case of kilometer, we can say 1000 meter in 1 kilometer. In the distance between 0 and 1 kilometer, there are 1000 meters. So we can say 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, children. Here you can see some objects which is measured in meter. Height of a man which is measured in meter. Height of the tree measured in meter. Height of your house measured in meter. Some objects are given here and we have to tell whether it is measured in meters or centimeters. In previous slide, we learned that the objects measured in centimeters are like pencils, eraser, pencil box and so on. And the objects measured in meters are like height of the door, height of your room, length of the dining table, length of the sari and so on. And children, see here, here it is given, we have to measure the length of a sofa, which is measured in meters or centimeters. Just imagine length of the sofa. Yes, it is measured in meters. It's a lengthy one. It's long. So we can measure it is in meter. And length of the table. Yeah, we already learned length of the table measured in meters. Next, length of the mobile phone, length of the cell phone. Can we measure the length of the mobile phone using scale in your, using ruler in your pencil box? Can you measure? Yes, of course, we can use our ruler, small ruler, to measure the length of the cell phone. So we can say length of the cell phone measured in centimeters. The centimeter ruler is in our pencil box. Next, length of the notebook. Just imagine, can you measure the length of your notebook using the scale in your pencil box, your maths box? Can you? Yes, of course. So we can say that is also measured in centimeters. And height of the chair, yeah, of course, it's in meter. Okay, children. And next, yeah, we already learned that. Ma'am explained that the distance from place to place we measured in kilometers. And here it is given the home to school. It is measured in kilometer because the distance from place to place we can't measure in millimeter or centimeter or meter. It should be measured in kilometer. So length or distance from school to home to school, distance from place to place we measured in kilometer. And here conversion. Next we are going to learn conversion. We already explained that there are 10 small lines between 1 centimeter. So we can say 10 millimeter. We can say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, and here also it is given on this ruler the long marks with the numbers represent the centimeter. This 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and these marked numbers are centimeters and the short marks in between you can say small lines. Okay, that is represent millimeters. Okay, between the centimeters you can see small lines which is millimeters. Okay, there are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. There are 10 millimeter in every centimeter. So we can say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. And the same way there are 100 centimeter in every meter. So we can say 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Next, we are going to learn how we convert meter to centimeter and vice versa, or centimeter to meter. Here it is given that when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we must do the multiplication, and when we convert smaller unit to bigger unit, we must do the division. Here we know that 1 meter is bigger than 1 centimeter. Then when we convert meter to centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. Let's go to the example. Meter is bigger than centimeter. Then when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we must multiply. Okay. And when we convert smaller unit to bigger unit, we must divide. For example, 12 meter is equal to dash centimeter. We learned that when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we must multiply. Multiply by which number? That's a question. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay? We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we can say 12 meter is equal to 12 into 100 centimeter. 12 into 100 centimeter, that's equal to 1200 centimeter. Okay, children. So when we convert meter into centimeter, we must multiply the number by 100. When we convert meter into centimeter, we must multiply the number by 100. And another example. 25 meter is equal to dash centimeter. What's it? Yes, 25 into 100. When we convert meter into centimeter, we must multiply the number by 100. So it is 2500 centimeter. Is it clear, children? And next, let's see how we convert centimeter into meter. And in previous slide, we learned that when we convert meter in centimeter, smaller unit to big unit, we must divide. For example, 400 centimeter is equal to dash meter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here we are converting smaller unit to bigger unit. So we must divide. Divide by which number? Yes, 100. So we can say 400 divided by 100. That is 400 divided by 100 is 4. 4 meter. 4 in easy step is here. 400 divided by 100. You can cut both zeros, hundreds. There are 400s in hundreds. Very simple. So we can say 4 meter. And another example must be easy for you. 1700 centimeter is equal to dash meter. 1700 divided by 100. That is 17. Another example. 2500 centimeter is equal to dash meter. 25 meter. Okay. I think you can try the trick to convert centimeter into meter. Okay. And 1800 centimeter is equal to, yes, 80 meter. Just avoid two zeros. When we convert centimeter to meter, the number must be less. We just cut the zeros and two zeros, and when we It's a trick when we convert meter to centimeter, we must add the zeros. Okay, children. Next, kilometers and meters. We learned that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer, 300 meter is equal to 1300 meter. How? 1 kilometer 1000 plus 300. 1000 plus 300 is 1300. Okay, children. Next, we are going to learn how we measure length in centimeters and millimeters. Here you can see the scale. Okay, and the some objects. And just take this brush. Its ends, it start from 0 and ends at 40. So we can say it is 14 centimeter. And here it's from 0 to 11. So we can say 11 centimeter. And here 0 to 17, we can say it's 17 centimeter. And how? Now we have another example to check how we measure objects using a ruler. And this is the ruler. And here we have an object key. And see, children, we can draw two lines in both side of the objects, the beginning and at the end. And beginning starts from 0 and we have to start the measure from the 0 and it ends at the point 5. It ends at the point 5. So we can say, see how many centimeters are there in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say the key is 5 centimeter long. This indicates, this represent, the numbers represent centimeter. So we can say the key is 5 centimeter long. From 0 to 5, the length of the key is from 0 to 5. We can say the key is 5 centimeter long. And here you can see a paper clip. See, it starts from the same position 0 and ends at not at 3. After 3, 2 points also there. 2 small points. So these small lines we represent millimeter. Okay, represent the millimeter small points. So we can say 3 centimeter and the length of the paper clip is 3 centimeter and 2 millimeter. 3 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Okay, children. Next example. It's a pen and the length of the pen is 0 to, it starts from 0 and ends at, you can see here, ends at 6 points after 11. 6 points after 11 and these small 6 lines represent millimeter. Okay, that we learned. Each of the small markings represent 1 millimeter. So we can say the length of the pen is 11 centimeter and 6 millimeter because after 11 you can, when we count, we can find there are 6 small lines. So 11 centimeter and 6 millimeter. So children, what are the topics we learned today? Yeah, units to measure length, which are millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer, and millimeter is the smallest unit. Then how to convert meters into centimeter and centimeters into meter, and the relation between kilometer and meter, and how to measure objects or things using a standard rule. Okay, these 4 topics we learned today. Hope you have understood the class. Thank you.